felt the scientific evidence is outrageous. I mean, I think they could consider suing them for slander. I do think, though, that maybe it's just tired. I mean, if you give this case to a jury, who knows what a jury might do.
Oh my God.
Combination is the cornerstone of this case, and they're going to have enough experts to say that this county is so ill, there's no possible way that you could.
Damn. Damn.
He don't like that.
I know, he doesn't like this picture to be made, but hey, I love you, Mommy. That's the ham right there. Say, yeah, I'll be in it. I'll be in it. Say, hey, Mommy, Daddy, Merry Christmas. Love you.
Sickness said we will make an exception to the rule out of compassion here. Hey, we're doing the nice thing. Instead, Garrett goes his mouth off, throwing it back against them, accusing them of murder.
Where is old Josie over there?
He got the letter faxed, and he
Jose.
the family for the
Jose.
for 36 precious minutes.
They're looking out the door. They see somebody out across the street. Ooh, they're interested. Bye.